The melody in me. I love music. I have always loved music. Even when I was very little, I loved music. I like to listen to it and to make it. When I was a little girl, listening to nice music would sometimes make me cry. It was so pretty that I cried. As I grew older, I started to take piano lessons. I was not very good at first, but after a while, I got better. Also, as I grew older, I started to take violin lessons. I did not sound very good at all at first, but I improved. When I was a teenager in high school, I made sure I had music classes every year. Those were the classes I enjoyed most of all. I also sang in the choir, played in a band, and acted in plays in high school. The plays were all musicals, so I got to sing and dance. When I finished high school, I went to university to learn how to be a music teacher. It was a lot of fun because every day I was with other people who loved music as much as I do. I learned how to play many instruments: the drums, a saxophone, a trombone, a French horn, a clarinet, a flute, and a viola. Now, I am a music teacher. I like to see people who start off not knowing very much and go on to be very good at creating music. I still love listening to music. Music makes me happy when I am sad. It makes me want to dance or sing when I'm already happy. Mostly, music just makes me glad that I am me and that music is alive in me.